Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to send ordered cancelled messages to your website users who have purchased anything from your website and then have cancelled the order, right? So how you can send a notification to those users using WhatsApp API if you have integrated your WhatsApp API with your Shopify website. As you can see, I'm into my WhatsApp API account, right? I'm into interact, and here we are into the campaign section and we are going to create a new campaign. So I have clicked on new campaign and this screen is appearing. Right here we just need to select the order cancelled, and this is the order cancelled sample. Use this sample. Each and every detail has been pre-filled because we have integrated this WhatsApp API with our Shopify store. If you don't know how to integrate, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the WhatsApp API playlist, right? So we need not to change anything else. This campaign would not be triggered or might be have some missing details. Everything is automatically pre-filled, right? This message trigger is also set correctly. For those users whose order has been cancelled, this message will be delivered, right? We just need to click on go live to create this campaign. So we are just going to click on go live button and our campaign would get automatically created. So this is how you can create a message campaign for order cancelled, and you can simply send those users a notification from your side. If you have already created an account on Interact, it's very much good, and if you have not, then I have also mentioned the Interact sign up link in video description. Just visit that link, create an account Interact, and you will receive credit bonuses on Interact that you can use for sending WhatsApp API messages to your users. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course, then also kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore the digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.